Top 50 Most Beautiful Places in Australia, Nature's Masterpieces. Part 2. Australia is a land of breathtaking contrasts, from golden beaches and vibrant coral reefs to vast deserts and lush rainforests. Each destination reveals a unique story of nature's artistry, shaped over millions of years. Explore the top 50 most beautiful places that showcase Australia's true natural splendor, from the Great Barrier Reef to Ullaru's glowing red heart. Adventure and scenic spots. 31. Great Ocean Road, Victoria. One of the world's most scenic coastal drives, the Great Ocean Road winds along Australia's southern coast. It offers stunning ocean views, rainforests, and charming seaside towns. Every turn reveals another breathtaking landscape. 32. The 12 Apostles, Victoria. These dramatic limestone stacks rise majestically from the Southern Ocean. Formed by millions of years of erosion, they stand as natural sculptures along the Great Ocean Road. Sunset views here are truly unforgettable. 33. Hunter Valley, New South Wales. Hunter Valley is Australia's oldest wine region, famous for its vineyards and gourmet cuisine. Visitors can enjoy wine tastings, hot air balloon rides, and scenic countryside views. It's a paradise for food and wine lovers alike. 34. Barossa Valley, South Australia. Renowned for its world-class Shiraz wines, Barossa Valley is one of Australia's premier wine destinations. The valley's rolling hills and historic wineries offer a peaceful retreat. It's a must-visit for those seeking fine wine and culture. 35. Snowy Mountains, New South Wales. Home to Australia's highest peak, Mount Kosciuszko, the Snowy Mountains are perfect for adventure lovers. They offer skiing in winter and hiking in summer. The alpine scenery is simply spectacular year-round. 36. The Pinnacles Desert, Western Australia. The Pinnacles Desert features thousands of limestone pillars rising from golden sands. This surreal landscape lies within Numbing National Park. Sunrise and sunset create magical shadows and colors across the desert. 37. Kings Canyon, Northern Territory. Kings Canyon is a dramatic natural wonder with towering red cliffs and deep valleys. The Rimwalk offers breathtaking views of the desert landscape below. It's one of the most awe-inspiring sights in Central Australia. 38. Wilson's Promontory, Victoria. Known as the Prom, this national park marks the southernmost tip of mainland Australia. It features pristine beaches, forests, and granite mountains. Perfect for hiking, wildlife spotting, and coastal exploration. 39. Atherton Tablelands, Queensland. The Atherton Tablelands are a lush highland region filled with waterfalls, crater lakes, and rainforests. It's home to unique wildlife and tropical produce farms. A refreshing escape just inland from Cairns. 40. Cape Tribulation, Queensland. Cape Tribulation is where the Daintree rainforest meets the Great Barrier Reef. This rare natural meeting point creates a unique, untouched ecosystem. Visitors can walk through ancient jungles and swim in tropical beaches. Wildlife and unique experiences. 41. Taronga Zoo, Sydney. Taronga Zoo overlooks Sydney Harbour and is home to over 4,000 animals from around the world. Visitors can meet kangaroos, koalas, and exotic species up close. It combines wildlife conservation with stunning city views. 42. Phillip Island, Victoria. Phillip Island is famous for its nightly penguin parade, where hundreds of little penguins return to shore. The island also offers beautiful beaches and wildlife parks, a family-friendly destination full of natural charm. 43. Australia Zoo, Queensland. Founded by the late Steve Irwin, the crocodile hunter, Australia Zoo celebrates wildlife conservation. It's home to crocodiles, tigers, and native Australian animals. A fun and educational experience for all ages. 44. Kangaroo Point Cliffs, Brisbane. These scenic cliffs along the Brisbane River are a hub for outdoor adventure. Rock climbing, abseiling, and sunset picnics are popular here. The view of the city skyline from the top is spectacular. 45. Port Douglas, Queensland. Port Douglas is a tropical resort town and gateway to both the Great Barrier Reef and Daintree Rainforest. Its beaches and luxury resorts make it a dream vacation spot, ideal for relaxation and eco-adventure alike. 46. Wave Rock, Western Australia. Wave Rock is a massive granite formation shaped like a breaking ocean wave. This 15-meter-high natural wonder was formed over millions of years. It's one of Australia's most photographed geological marvels. 47. Lake Hillier, Western Australia. Lake Hillier is world famous for its striking pink color, caused by natural algae and salts. Surrounded by white sand and blue ocean, it's a vivid contrast of nature. Best viewed by air, it's a truly surreal sight. 48. Tasman Peninsula and Port Arthur. The Tasman Peninsula combines dramatic coastal cliffs with historic Port Arthur. Once a convict settlement, Port Arthur is now a UNESCO heritage site. The area's scenery and history make it hauntingly beautiful. 49. Coober Pedy, South Australia. Known as Australia's underground town, Coober Pedy was built beneath the earth to escape desert heat. It's famous for opal mining and unique subterranean homes, a one-of-a-kind experience in the Australian outback. 50. Litchfield National Park, Northern Territory. Litchfield National Park is a tropical paradise filled with waterfalls, rock pools, and magnetic termite mounds. It's a favorite for swimming and camping near Darwin. The park's natural beauty and tranquility are truly captivating. I am glad to share this experience with you, and I hope it inspires you too. Our educational videos make learning simple and interesting. With useful lessons and good ideas, they help you grow every day. Thank you for watching. For more good videos, please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.